Guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change start location in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to change the start location on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. After opening your Google Maps application, guys, let's search for a destination over here in order to proceed to change the start location. So let's go to a place near me and let's search for it. And you can see, guys, let's tap on the directions button over here and it will give us the destination and our starting location. Now in order to change the starting location on Google Maps over here, when we search for any place and tap on the direction, this kind of interface will appear at the top of the screen. Here it says your location. Now in order to change the starting location on Google Maps, tap on the your location at the top of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can either choose on the map or type in the location. I'll be tapping on choose on the map, and I'll be starting the location, or I'll be changing the starting location to near over here because it's fair enough, and tap on the OK after selecting your location over here at the top right corner of the screen. And you can see, guys, your starting location will be changed like this. And let's try it again. Let's go for another destination over here, and I'll be just tapping on the recently searched destination, and let's tap on the directions button at the bottom left corner of the screen. And when this appears at the top of the screen, again you can see your location. Tap on your location, and either you can type it or I'll be just choosing on the map. And let's go. You can see the pinpoint option over here, and let's hold it over here and tap on the OK button at the top right corner of the screen after doing this. And you can see, guys, your starting location on Google Maps will be changed like this. And there, guys, this is how to change start location in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.